Hey everyone, welcome to Tech News. So we are going to cover nearly 7 topics in today's Tech News. So let's get to the video. And the first news is ASUS web storage cloud backup update service uses malware to install on users' PCs. So it's been a while. It's not current news actually, but it's reported that according to the researchers, the malware was discovered on computers in Taiwan belonging to its clients and issued. Yeah, the shortcoming news is ASUS update software is being tricked by Taiwanese hackers into installing malware. So it doesn't check for digital signatures. So we'll link down below the big article. You can check it out. So it is Redmi. The smartphone brand of Xiaomi is set to release a new laptop called Redmi Book 14 because MacBook, so copying MacBook, I think. So it's definitely going to be a budget thing. It's actually Intel CPUs, Windows 10, yeah, normal stuff, fingerprint. They're going to be lightweight, so just a normal laptop that's going to be falling budget end. But it's a Chinese manufacturer, you can't give them data. So this is going to be a smartphone news. So after the release of OnePlus 7 and 7 Pro, so all the hype, but Zenfone, Zenfone 6, Asus releases Zenfone 6 with Snapdragon 855, all the good stuff under $500. So OnePlus was told as a flagship killer, so it's going nearly $669. So Asus releasing a phone which counters the flagship of OnePlus. So flagship killer Zenfone 6 set to release things soon as a rotating camera and that comes behind the phone. And it's pretty cool to see, but doesn't know the durability of it. OnePlus also released a pop-up selfie camera. It doesn't know the durability of it. It's a motorized thing. This release is very crazier than that. Like flips out from back of the phone, like Samsung Galaxy A80, similar to that. So that's there. So on the news of flagship killer, Xiaomi trolls OnePlus 7 Pro and promises to release a flagship killer 2.0. So Xiaomi, you might know Poco F1. So it released flagship killer last year under nearly $300 or to 20,000 rupees in India. So it was having a Snapdragon 845 chipset under $300. So flagship killer. So three flagship killer, and it's set to release flagship killer 2.0. It's named as Redmi K20, I think so. Maybe a good name. Poco F2 will be better name because the Poco brand have been registered last year, so it will be easy to remember. So don't know what they're going to name it. So it is going to have a Qualcomm 855 chipsets and all the good stuff under that budget, snappier stuff. So we will see how it comes. And then the subject. Coming to the use case of this gaming with these phones with 855 chipsets, Call of Duty Mobile has been revealed. So you can sign up for beta for a very long time. I didn't sign up actually. I will sign up for right now, so that I may get to play that. So most people have signed up, and some people have got something, and there were new maps of Call of Duty. So it's going to be beta release for some time, so they can release all the bugs. I'm going to be mobile version. If I get my hands on, I will try to make a Call of Duty mobile review. So if you are thinking that who is going to buy all these smartphones, I don't need a smartphone. I have my Intel CPU. No, you're not, because Intel has been hit with another security flaw. Last year, it had Spectre and Meltdown, which was actually really harmful, as they say, but not everyone can do that kind of hackery stuff. So So again, another flaw. It's called as zombie load. Yeah, I think that's it. It's called zombie load, and Intel named it microarchitectural data assembly (MDS). So the reason Intel CPUs are better right now is if you're browsing Twitter a page, it sees what you're doing, and if you're using Twitter, Facebook like that. So if you're using Twitter, you go to some other page very often. It will automatically load that page before you went that before you want to go to that page. So it will be faster. So they are using that to steal your data, and Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, everyone have released a patch for that, update it, and Intel will be going to release a microport for that soon. So when they release, I will tell you what it's about. And coming to the last news, to store data, to steal data, you have to store them, and we have in the era of SATA drives. SATA small capacity SATA drives, nearly 1 to 2 TB are there. So WD, who have been selling 60 terabytes SATA hard drives, not SATA drives, because you can't go much SATA drives and cost more. So WD have been selling 16 terabytes SATA drives for a long time right now, and they have set to plan a 20 terabyte SATA drives, 20 terabyte hard drives, not SATA drives, 20 terabyte hard drives soon, and they doesn't know when they are going to release because it's not a finished product right now, and it's going to be released soon, I think so. So let's hope 20 terabyte hard drives and all the CPU vulnerabilities of Intel and Ryzen going to release pretty soon, and Intel is in trouble. So that's the news for you guys today. So update your PCs. If you're using Asus, update it. Look out for Redmi laptop if you're going to sell your data to China, and Asus, don't buy 7 Pro by Asus. And the next news is don't buy Asus. Xiaomi flagship killer is coming, and Call of Duty beta release. If you're interested in games or something, yeah, most people are interested in games. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, like it. If you dislike it, and comment your suggestion below. So I will try to update tech news often. I don't know if I can. It's been a long time since first video. So hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching.